Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
My name is Emerson Gitz, and my book name is Peppa and Emmy's Big Adventure, and I'm going into the 2nd grade. And why I like writing is because I like putting stuff together. Peppa and Emmy's Big Adventure. I have a new pug puppy named Peppa. One day we went on a long walk. We made it to St. Louis and saw the Arch. We walked on to Nashville and saw the Grand Ole Opry. Next up were the Smoky Mountains. They are very big. We kept walking and saw the White House in Washington, D.C. Next, we walked by the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. In New York City, we saw the Statue of Liberty. We saw the sun go down at the beach. Peppa loved to chase the birds. It was dark when we made it home. We were both tired. The end.